Marilima is a small barangay with under 400 residents, but a big natural draw. Its Marilima Beach offers peaceful retreat, ideal for swimming, skimboarding, camping, and enjoying scenic views including distant volcanoes, coupled with nearby waterfalls, heritage site, and beaches. It's a top stop in Virac. Marilima Beach is one of Virac serene gyms located about 12 kilometers from town. Highlight and activities lined with coconut palm backed by gentle slope, creamy white golden sand and crystal clear water ideal for swimming, sunbathing, snorkeling, and skimboarding when the tide is low. Great camping and picnic spot. On clear days, you may even catch distant views of Mayon and Bolosan volcanoes across the sea. When in Marilima, it's easy to visit other local gyms. Batag Beach, adjacent, coconut-lined hill back with white sand. Then, Mamangal in Balite beaches, serene shores with shallow waters. Igang Beach, Twin Rock, known for rock formation and snorkeling. Tara, pasukin natin ang Marilima Beach. Ito ang bubungad sa'yo. Napaka ganda ng sand, maputi, at malinis na tubig. Kagandahan dito, during weekdays, napakatahimik, very relaxing kasi solong-solo mo yung location. Pwede kang maglakad, mag-jogging dyan sa kahabaan ng coastline na solong-solo mo yung place. At kung gusto mong mag-trek dito sa tabi ng bundok, ibang excitement din. Ingat lang dahil ang tatalim ng bato. Pero ang ganda din. kung ang habol mo ay escape sa gulo ng city, dito sa tahimik, relaxing at ganda ng lugar, sigurado makakalimutan mo lahat ng problema kung meron man. Ginawa ng beach lang. Natutulog lang eh. Wala, parang wala. May mga pumupunta din dyan. Ano? Pag linggo. Linggo. Weekend, holidays. Sabado at linggo, marami din tao dyan. Sana i-press release nila para makilala. Meron kami kilala dito. Yung dati dito. Sikat si May Katsu. May lupa kami dyan. Saan banda? Yan, yung banda dyan. Yung dyan, yung palayan. Ayun yung... Kaplataw yan yun nung lula namin. Thank you for watching. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan yung iba pa naming na pasyalang destinasyon dito sa Virac, Catanduanes. And please don't forget to share and subscribe. Maraming salamat po. Mabalos. God bless us all.